back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bathroom tour in my apartment, and I don't share a bathroom with anybody. This is just my personal bathroom. So starting off with the sink, here's the sink with soaps and some air from room spray with it. I have a soap and just the other side of the counter I'm currently moving, so there's a box right there. Now next to the sink is the toilet. On top of the toilet I have this box of pads, and then the actual toilet with trash that needs to be taken out, and toilet plungers, everything you would use for a toilet. Next is the bathtub and my bath mat and everything in my shower. Some soaps, face stuff, shampoo, blush stuff, a razor, shaving gel, body wash, bubble bath stuff. Then I have a random shirt hanging up there where a shower curtain would be to dry the shirt. I took down my shower curtain because, like I said, again, I am moving. So here's the bathtub. Next is just a wall with somewhere you can hang towels, hand towels to dry. Then I have my lights, and then the bathroom door with this thing I use to hang extra towels or clothes to dry. I put that on the back of the door, and just slowly showing you the door in case you've never seen a door before. There's the floor, and then by the door I have two cabinets. The first cabinet has like 3 shelves, and that's where I keep all my towels. But again, I'm moving, so everything is gone pretty much. And those products right there are empty products that I use for empty products, pictures or videos or products I've used up. I just keep them to the end of the month. The bottom drawer is dirty clothes, so that's just an extra space, and there's dirty clothes. Hope you enjoyed seeing my dirty underwear. And that's pretty much my bathroom. Now I'm just going to do an overview. Once again, here's the cabinets, and now after the cabinets is going to be the overview of the overall bathroom. So, actually I forgot one thing. There's me in my pajamas. There's the box of crap that I have to move. And to the left is this little cabinet, medicine cabinet. I just have a few things in here. And then I have this drawer, which is where my toothbrush, hairbrush, makeup remover wipes, random stuff I use every day is in this drawer until I move. And then under the sink, I just have soap and some cleaning stuff, and then random stuff I need to pack still. So that's pretty much it. Now is going to be the overview where I show you the entire bathroom